A new era begins. Artemis III takes flight. The countdown to a new era in human space exploration has begun. Artemis III, the long-anticipated mission to return humans to the Moon, marks the first crewed lunar landing in over half a century. For the first time since Apollo 17 in 1972, astronauts will walk on the Moon's surface, this time with more advanced technology, broader scientific goals, and a bold vision for the future. Artemis III isn't just a return to the Moon, it's the launch pad for humanity's next giant leap towards Mars, the outer planets, and beyond. The Artemis III mission, a giant leap for humanity. Artemis III represents a pivotal moment in space history. With a crew that includes the first woman and the first person of color to set foot on the lunar surface, NASA's Artemis program is built on the ideals of diversity, innovation, and ambition. But this mission is about much more than symbolism. Scientists hope to collect vital data on lunar geology, search for water ice at the Moon's south pole, and test technologies that will be critical for future missions deeper into the solar system. The Moon will act as both a laboratory and a launch pad, a proving ground where humanity can learn how to survive and thrive on other worlds. Why does Artemis III matter? Because it's more than just a return to familiar ground. It's a stepping stone to the unknown, a rehearsal for Mars and beyond. Beyond the Moon, the next frontiers of space exploration. Once Artemis III completes its mission, the focus will shift toward even more daring frontiers. Mars stands at the forefront of this vision. As Earth's planetary neighbor, it offers the most viable target for human exploration. With its thin atmosphere, ancient riverbeds, and signs of potential microbial life, Mars challenges us to solve the riddles of planetary evolution and possibly, life's origins. But the red planet is just the beginning. Scientists and futurists alike dream of exploring the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa, with its subsurface ocean, and Titan, with its methane lakes and thick atmosphere. These moons could harbor conditions for life as we don't yet understand it. Meanwhile, asteroids present another tantalizing prospect. These ancient bodies could serve as mining outposts, scientific treasure troves, or even way stations in deep space travel. The future of space tourism and commercial ventures. The rise of private space companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others is transforming exploration into a joint endeavor between governments and commercial enterprises. Space tourism is no longer a distant dream, it's a fledgling industry that could one day democratize access to space. These companies are also playing a crucial role in building infrastructure, developing reusable launch vehicles, space stations, and life support systems that reduce costs and increase the feasibility of long-term missions. The technologies driving the new space race, the Artemis missions and beyond, are powered by revolutionary technologies. Advanced spacecraft such as NASA's Orion capsule and SpaceX's Starship are designed for deep space travel and reusability. Propulsion systems like nuclear, thermal and ion engines promise faster, more efficient journeys to distant planets. Robotics and AI are enabling autonomous exploration, from Mars rovers to drones that can fly through alien skies. Space habitats and closed-loop life support systems are being tested to ensure that humans can live and work safely in harsh, distant environments. Why space exploration matters, the payoffs are profound. Investing in space is not just about discovery, it's about transformation. Space exploration drives innovation across many fields. From medical imaging to water purification, satellite communication to materials science, countless technologies that originated in space research now enrich everyday life. It also fosters global cooperation, inspiring nations to work together for peaceful and ambitious goals. And perhaps most importantly, it sparks wonder. Every image from a distant world, every mission that pushes the frontier, reminds us of our potential and of our shared destiny. The future is now, a call to action. The future of space exploration depends on us. Continued investment is essential not just financially, but intellectually and culturally. Governments must prioritize space science, while educational systems should inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers. International collaboration will be the key to success. Space is too vast, too complex, and too expensive for any one nation to conquer alone. Shared knowledge and mutual effort are the foundation of our cosmic future. As we look to Artemis III and the journeys that follow, we're reminded of a profound truth: the urge to explore is part of what makes us human. With each mission, we move closer to becoming a multi-planetary species, not just visitors in the cosmos, but active participants in its unfolding story. Let the stars guide us not just as destinations, but as beacons calling us to dream, to discover, and to dare. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative video. Thanks from Relax Audiobook.